Today's summit is called Breakthrough to Brilliance. I don't consider myself brilliant at anything except being happy. I love life. I jump up out of bed every morning. I work 18, 20 hours a day because I've found my passion and I attack it. And I'm telling you now, if you don't jump out of bed every single morning for your job or whatever it is that you do, you should stop it and quit it tomorrow. I'm serious about that now. I've spoke, or else change your habits, change your mindset towards your job. I've got 2 clients that I've dealt with recently. They're very high-end CEOs. And I'm telling you now, they're the most depressed people behind the scenes because they just don't know how to manage their internal systems. So your subconscious mind is responsible for regulating your autonomic nervous system, your breathing, your heart rate, your blood flow. And that's where depression, anxiety, and happiness lies. And you have the ability to release dopamine into your systems. You have the ability to program your minds to achieve anything you want in life. Now, I don't have time to do what I would normally do with people in this scenario. And I do know that this, what I'm saying, isn't for everybody. And that's fine.